Alcon is proud to present you with the WaveLight Refractive Suite, the next leap forward in exceptional patient outcomes. The WaveLight Refractive Suite is a dynamic treatment tool that combines the world's fastest platform with advanced data transfer capabilities. Through the use of cutting-edge technology, the WaveLight Refractive Suite combines speed with customized capabilities to deliver accurate, patient-specific outcomes. Treatment is initiated with the input of patient-specific information into a computer. Data then flows through WaveNet, an internal computer network, to populate diagnostic devices. With the push of a single button, patient data is captured, allowing the physician to complete the diagnostic process and make final adjustments. Data then flows through WaveNet, an integrated network, directly to the WaveLight EX500 excimer laser. Using the captured diagnostic data, the excimer is able to create a unique ablation profile. The ablation profile now travels from the WaveLight EX500 excimer laser to the WaveLight FS200 femtosecond laser, where a precise flap is to be created. With only a single data entry point, the margin for error decreases while customization capabilities are enhanced.